Windows used to feel elegant, glass effects, smooth transparency, clean visuals, then performance degraded and design disappeared. Now you get both back. Looks that impress, speed that stays. Hi, this is Neil from Upadoose. Let's get started. Setting up Tiny11 Aero Edition is simple. Open the Tiny11 Creator. Using the official link in the pinned comment, click Build. The tool handles everything. It downloads the required files and prepares your Tiny11 Aero installer automatically. You can leave it running in the background. If you do not want to build it yourself, use the pre-built installer from the official site. Both options work. Use a valid Windows 11 license. Only clean and legal installs are supported. Build time depends on your internet speed and your hardware. When it finishes, the log will show, Build finished successfully. Your installer is ready. Do not download Tiny11 from unofficial sites. These builds often contain malware or spyware. They can steal data, compromise accounts, or damage your system. Use only the official, creator, or verified installer. Now, install using Zeno. Zeno installs Tiny11 Aero Edition without a USB. Open Zeno from the package. Select the installer you created. Choose the target drive. Make sure the drive is empty. All data will be erased. Confirm and start. Installation completes in a few minutes. Restart your PC. You should see a dual boot option for Tiny11. If it does not appear, add it manually using EasyBCD or Visual BCD. That is it. No USB required. If you prefer a USB method, use Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB space. Back up your files. The drive will be erased. Open Rufus. Select the Tiny11 Aero installer. Choose your USB drive. Start the process. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. When done, restart your PC. Open the boot menu using F12, F8, or Escape. Select the USB drive. The setup starts automatically. You go directly to the drive selection screen. Choose carefully. The selected drive will be overwritten. Skip language for now. You can change it later. When installation finishes, you land on a clean Tiny11 Aero desktop. If you do not want to reinstall Windows, use Velotic. It converts your existing system into a Tiny11 style setup in a few clicks. Your PC decides your mood the moment you sit down. You open it to get things done. It drags, it stalls, it resists you. Velotic ends that. This is not another cleaner. This is control. You launch it once, and your system stops working against you. Everything responds. Games run clean. Apps open instantly. The lag you tolerated is gone, not for a day, every day. Velotic adapts to you. It reads what you're doing and tunes your CPU and GPU in real time. No manual tweaks, no risk, just consistent speed. It removes junk before it builds up. It shuts down hidden processes that steal performance. It does it quietly, without breaking Windows. You unlock over 500 tested optimizations. One click removes bloat. No confusion, no trial and error. You install apps instantly. No setup friction. Power shifts when you need it. Performance when you push. Stability when it matters. You recover massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay exactly where they belong. Your system finally has room to breathe. This is not a temporary boost. This is how professionals run machines they rely on every day. Built over 4 years. Trusted by thousands. Refined with every release. You install it once. You stop thinking about performance. Velotic. For people who refuse to tolerate slow. Now take it further by turning your Windows into Tiny11 or 10 in just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloat. Press play on Tiny11 or Tiny10. That is it. Your system transforms in one move. No file loss, no broken features, same setup, completely different performance. If you want the details, open the info section or use the guide in the description. You already know how your PC feels right now. This is what it should feel like instead. When you reach the desktop, if there is no wallpaper, you can go to Personalize and apply the light or dark theme. This will make the wallpaper appear properly. After setup, enable compression. Open the Configure app, go to the Compression tab, click Enable. This takes a couple of hours and reduces system size by up to 60%. If needed, you can disable it anytime. After it completes, the system sits at around 8 gigabytes. Tiny 11, Aero Edition keeps performance high while giving you full visual effects. Now connect to the internet. Open Configure. Go to the browser section. Choose your browser. I am selecting Zen. You can also use Chrome, Edge, Opera, Brave, and many more. Zen installs in a few seconds. Once online, open the community section inside Configure. Visit our 2 channels. On Apatus, we post installation tutorials, and on HT, we post benchmarks and configurations. Join the Discord server. Get updates, support, and early previews. You'll also find the Velotic and Tiny 11 websites in the creator. We'll post benchmarks of this build in the HT channel in a couple of days. Check the pinned comment for the benchmark video link. If you face crashes or memory issues, fix it quickly. Open Configure. Go to Paging Files section. Enable paging files. Restart your system. This resolves most stability problems. Paging is off by default to save space. Turning it on improves stability. Now install drivers. Drivers control graphics, audio, networking, and input devices. Open Configure. Click Install Drivers. Select what you need, or press Install All. In most cases, drivers are required. They enable full performance. Graphics, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and system controls all depend on them. If you play games or edit videos, it's very important that you install the latest graphics drivers. Once done, your system runs properly, fast, stable, fully functional. You will find the purchase link in the pinned comment. Tiny 11 Aero Edition is built for users who want performance, visuals, and reliability. It looks better, it runs faster, it stays consistent. Free builds exist on random sites. Most are unstable or unsafe. If you want a system that works properly every day, use the official build. Thanks for watching. This is Apatus, signing off.